Hello, friends, and welcome back to the Thursday Stretch Series. I'm Luis, here to help us feel a little more at ease as we enjoy these golden years. One thing many of us in our 50s and 60s and beyond notice is that lower back tightness creeping in, maybe from years of sitting, gardening, or just daily life. It can make getting up from a chair feel like a chore, or turn a simple walk into something less enjoyable. But today, we're going to change that gently and safely. These lower back stretches are designed specially for us, not for the gym crowd, but for everyday folks who want to stay mobile, independent, and feeling good for as long as possible. Think longevity and health span, keeping our backs flexible so we can keep doing what we love, playing with the grandkids, tending to the garden, or just enjoying a pain-free day. Let's ease into this together. So, what are these stretches all about? They're simple, no fuss movements that gently lengthen the muscles around your lower spine, hips, and even your hamstrings. We're talking about the erector spinae muscles along your back, the quadratus lumborum on the sides, and connected areas like the glutes and hips. No jumping, no heavy lifting, just kind, controlled motions you can do right at home, often when seated or lying down. We'll keep everything beginner friendly and modifiable. Okay, so why focus on the lower back now? Well, as we age, stress and daily habits can cause those muscles to tighten up, leading to stiffness, aches, or the nagging discomfort that zaps our energy. But gentle stretching improves blood flow, boosts flexibility, supports better posture, and helps reduce inflammation naturally. And over time, this supports our health span, the years we live feeling strong and capable. It can ease tension that builds from stress, improve sleep, and make everyday activities easier. And many folks find that consistent gentle practice like this helps them move better and feel more youthful. And the best part, it only takes a few minutes a day to make a real difference. So here's how we'll approach it. We'll go through 5 gentle stretches, holding each for 20 to 30 seconds, or less if that feels better. Breathing slowly and deeply, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Listen to your body. If anything pinches or hurts sharply, ease off or skip it. These are meant to feel good, not challenging. If you have any back issues or recent injuries, check with your doctor first. You can do these on a mat, your bed, or study chair. Let's begin. The first one is a seated cat-cow. Sit tall in a sturdy chair. Feet are flat on the floor, hands on your knees. Inhale and gently arch your back a little bit, lifting your chest. That's the cow pose. Then we're going to exhale and round the spine, tucking your chin gently. That's the cat pose. Okay, so this is how we do it. And we're going to move very slowly between them for about 5 to 8 breaths. Okay? This warms up the whole spine safely and releases lower back tension without getting on the floor. That's it. Next, supine knee to chest. So for this one, lay on your back, feet flat on the floor, and what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and grab one knee and bring it to your chest gently. Okay, right there. If the floor is a little bit tricky, just go ahead and use the bed. But right here, we're breathing and we're holding for 20 to 30 seconds. It's a gentle stretch. Then we release slowly and we do the other side. Grab your knee, Bring your knee to your chest and breathe. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Just a gentle stretch and just hold it. Breathe through your nose, out through your mouth, and release. That's it for that one. The next one is the lower back rotational stretch. So this is a simple one, but it's so important. We're going to be in the same position as we were before, feet flat on the floor, hands on the floor, and then bring your knees together. And what we're going to do, we're going to rotate to each side for 20 to 30 seconds. Just go as far as you can. Don't force this one. Just let the knees do all the work. So here's how we do it. Take a deep breath. And your shoulders should stay on the floor. That's important. Like that would create that twist. Hold there for 20 to 30 seconds, just as far as you can. If you can't hold there for 20 to 30 seconds, that's okay. Just hold it for as long as you can. And every time you exhale, you try to just relax a little bit more. I know we tend to kind of tighten up when we're doing these stretches, but just relax and breathe and let it go. And then switch to the other side. Remember, shoulders stay on the floor, both of them. And here we're just gently twisting the spine. And hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. And now this is one that I like to do multiple times. So after I get done with both sides, I'll go back and do the other side again. And you're going to notice that you're going to be a little bit more limber because you're going to, you already stretched it before. Now you feel a little more relaxed and you can go a little bit lower. So with every exhale, you can actually feel your body just loosening up. Sometimes you'll hear a little crack, and that's okay, so long as you don't hurt anything. Deep breath. Let the weight of the knees do all the work, and you should feel a nice, gentle stretch right here in your lower spine. Shoulders on the floor, both of them. And then come back to the middle. Okay, so this next one is the pelvic tilt. It's really not a huge movement, and you might not even be able to see it from there. But once you lay on the floor, and this one is important to be on the floor and not on the bed, okay? Because you need something flat on your back. So what we're going to do is basically, right now, when I'm laying on the floor like this, there's a slight arch on my lower back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an effort to just press that lower back on the floor. So my whole back is flat, like I'm doing it right here. Then release and you relax and you see there's an arch again, and then go back down and up and down. Every time you press it down, you make an effort because naturally your lower back is going to have a slight arch to it when you're laying on the floor. And what we're doing here, we're making sure that we make your whole back flat and then relax. So basically, we're going to do that about 8 to 10 times. Basically, go hold it for a few seconds and relax. Hold it for a few seconds and relax. Hold it for a few seconds and relax. And keep doing that 8 to 10 times while keeping your feet flat on the floor, hands to your side, your palms right there. Again, it's not much of a movement, but once you're doing it, you're going to feel it. You know exactly what I'm talking about. It's just very gentle, but it does force you to make that back fully flat on the floor. And that's it. Okay, so the last one is the child's pose. This is a very popular yoga stretch, and there are two ways to do it. You can actually do this one sitting down, or you can do it laying on your back. That's fine. If you're comfortable on the floor, go ahead and kneel. And then if your knees hurt, you're more than welcome to put something like a folded towel or a pillow on your knees. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and lean forward and put your hands on the floor. Or if you're using a yoga mat, use a yoga mat, put your hands on the mat. And we're going to take a deep breath and just relax. And let your body just fall forward and let that lower back, everything just stretch, okay? And it's important as we grab our hands, if you notice, if I do this little walking up a little bit right here, that actually makes the stretch now feel a little bit on your upper back, okay? And that's really important. So from here, it's a very relaxing pose. And normally this is the last one that's done during a yoga session, okay? This is the last one because we breathe in, we relax, we stretch everything at the end. So we take a deep breath and we're going to hold for about 20 to 30 seconds. Okay. And then now to show you the other variation that you can do just sitting down, which is fine. We're going to go ahead and just sit up, and you're just going to grab your knees right here. Put your arms around your knees and take a deep breath. And then just lean forward and stretch your back. Put your head down, take a deep breath. Because I like to hug my knees like this, my legs right around my calves, and just you take a deep breath. And every time you exhale, you're gonna feel your body just relax a little bit more. Okay, and that allows you to go a little bit further every time, just a little bit. You don't have to, hurt yourself. The stretch should feel comfortable. Just just a little tension, but not pain. Keep that in mind. Okay, so. And right now, as I do this, I feel that stretch on my middle and upper back right now. And that's it. So there we go. 5 gentle stretches to nurture your lower back and help melt away that daily stress. Do these a few times a week or even daily if it feels good, and you'll likely notice easier movement and more comfort over time. It's all about consistency for that long, healthy, active life we want. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe so you don't miss our next Thursday session, and comment below. Where do you feel tension most? We'd love to hear and maybe cover it next. Take it easy on yourself. You deserve to feel good. Until next time, stay gentle, stay moving, and take care. And remember, we are here not to turn back the clock, not to slow down the clock, but to make that clock tick longer. See you on the next one.